Once, in a small village, there was a poor boy named Aman. Aman lived with his mother, and they had very little money. Aman wanted to help his mother, but he didn't know how. One day, while walking in the forest, Aman found an old dusty mirror under a tree. The mirror looked strange. As Aman wiped the dust off, he saw something written on the back. It said, "This is a magic mirror. It will show you the way to happiness." Aman was surprised. He took the mirror home and showed it to his mother. She smiled and said, "Let's hang it on the wall." The next morning, Aman woke up and looked in the mirror. To his surprise, the mirror didn't show his face. Instead, it showed a picture of him helping an old man carry water. Aman decided to do what the mirror showed him. Aman went outside and saw an old man struggling to carry water. He remembered what the mirror showed him and quickly ran over to help. "Thank you, young boy," the old man said with a smile. "You are very kind." Aman felt good inside. When he went home, he looked in the mirror again. This time, the mirror showed a picture of him planting flowers in a garden. The next day, Aman went to the village garden. He saw that the flowers were dry and dying. Aman found a watering can and began to water the flowers and take care of them. Soon, the flowers looked beautiful again. People in the village saw what Aman did and thanked him. Every morning, Aman looked in the magic mirror and it showed him different ways to help people. Some days, it showed him feeding a hungry dog. Other days, it showed him helping a child find his lost toy. As Aman helped more people, he became happier, and so did the village. People smiled more, and everyone loved Aman for his kindness. One day, the mirror showed something new. It showed Aman and his mother with a lot of food and money. Aman didn't understand at first, but then he realized that by helping others, he was making the world better. Soon, the villagers began to give Aman and his mother gifts to thank him for all his help. The mirror never gave Aman gold or riches, but it taught him that the true happiness comes from kindness and helping others. From that day on, Aman knew that the magic mirror was not just special because of its magic, it was special because it taught him how to be a good person.